When it comes to professional drug testing, you really need three things to line up perfectly: accuracy, affordability, and speed. So today, we're going to dig into how DrugTestingCup.com is making a name for itself by hitting all three, and why so many pros are making them their go-to supplier.
Right off the bat, you can see they're not just for one type of customer. We're talking businesses, clinics, government agencies, you name it. Their whole mission is to be the one-stop shop for literally anyone who needs reliable drug testing solutions.
So, what's their secret sauce? Well, we're going to break down the 5 biggest advantages. We'll start with their killer pricing, then get into the quality, the huge variety of tests they offer, who's actually using them, and finally, just how easy they make it to get your hands on all of it.
All right, let's jump right into the big one, the price. I mean, for any clinic, government agency, or business buying hundreds or thousands of tests, every single penny counts, right? Those costs can really add up. And they don't shy away from this at all. Their entire game plan is to have the best prices in the industry, especially for anyone buying in bulk. It's pretty much their core promise.
And here's where it gets really interesting. We're not just talking about sales here and there. With their bulk pricing, you can get a comprehensive 12-panel cup for as low as $1.29. I mean, think about that. If you're running thousands of tests a year, those savings are absolutely massive. That's a real game changer.
And it gets better. The value isn't just baked into the unit price. If you order 100 cups or more, you get free, same-day shipping. That means no surprise fees and no waiting around, which, let's be honest, is a huge operational win for any busy institution.
Okay, but a great price means absolutely nothing if you can't trust the results, right? A cheap test that's wrong is worse than useless. So let's talk about the second pillar here, quality.
So you'll see this term CLIA-waived plastered all over their products. But what in the world does that actually mean for you, the person using the test? Why should you even care?
Well, here's the deal. CLIA-waived is basically a stamp of approval from the federal government. It means the test is so simple to use that you don't need to be a lab tech, and this is the important part, it has a super low risk of giving a wrong result. It's your peace of mind that you're getting professional-grade, reliable testing.
And on top of being accurate, they are fast. You get your results in 5 minutes or less. Just think about it. For on-site testing in a busy office, a clinic, or a probation center, that kind of speed is incredible. You get the information you need to make important decisions right away.
Okay, so we've got great prices and rock-solid quality. Now let's talk about selection, because not everyone needs the same thing. Let's see how they make sure they've got a test for pretty much any situation you can imagine.
And wow, the range here is just huge. They've got everything from your standard 5-panel test, perfect for a basic workplace screening, all the way up to a super detailed 28-panel cup for clinical use. And they're on top of current trends, with specialized tests for things like fentanyl and ETG alcohol.
This little chart breaks it down perfectly. The classic urine cups give you the biggest range of options for all-in-one testing. The dip cards? Those are your go-to when you need something fast and super cost-effective. And the oral swabs are great because they're non-invasive and really good at catching very recent use. And get this, if you look through their whole catalog and still can't find the exact combination of panels you need, they'll just build a custom one for you. That kind of flexibility is a lifesaver for organizations with really specific testing rules. So the price is right, the quality is certified, but the real question is, who's actually using these products? I mean, a company can say whatever it wants, but the proof is in who trusts them when it really counts. And this list really tells the story. You've got HR departments, clinics, correctional facilities, even government agencies. These are serious institutions that rely on accurate results every single day. And to serve them better, they actually offer special pricing for government, rehab centers, and wholesalers. And that trust isn't just about the cups themselves, it's also about the service. Same-day shipping means you never run out, and having 24/7 live chat with a real person means you're never left hanging with a question. The reliability is built into the whole experience. All right, last but not least, let's look at how you actually get all this stuff. Because a great product that's a pain to order isn't really a great product, is it? So they've made the whole thing incredibly simple. It really is this easy. You just hop on their website, find what you need, and place your order. And if you have bigger needs, like for a whole institution, you just give their sales team a shout, and they'll whip up a custom quote to make sure you're getting the absolute best deal possible. You know, this tagline pretty much nails it. By combining the best prices, certified quality, a massive selection, and a super simple ordering process, they really are trying to be the only place you'll ever need to go for your testing program.
So, if this sounds like what you've been looking for, the next step is simple. You can head over to DrugTestingCup.com to place an order, or if you're buying in bulk, give them a call to get that custom quote and unlock those bigger savings.
Which really brings us full circle, back to those 3 T things: price, quality, and service. So the real question for any professional out there is, does this all-in-one combination check all the boxes for your testing program?